Hi everyone, I am Mikala Shazine Barredo
And I'm Jillian De Paz.
and we are back again for another vlog. So we are here in Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School.
And right now, everything feels calm. Practices are done and preparations are in place. But as the competition draws near, that calm slowly turns into a current.
To really understand what goes on during this moment, we spoke with the CJs and coaches who guide them to every step of the way.
Well, hello, good afternoon. I am James Quesada from Mina National High School from 3rd District.
For tomorrow's gets closer, how are you feeling about the competition?
About the competition, of course, pressure, especially nagbago ang criteria sa tulad ng SPC for TV broadcasting, which is malive na kami. So, it is a pressure for us kay pila lang kadis ang amon preparation for tomorrow's competition. So, pressure gid ang mapacheckan amon suko.
In the middle of all the pressure, have you been preparing yourself mentally and physically?
Well, in this state, nagasalig na lang kami kay God no nga tawhan na kami sang better performance kay successful gid nga output for tomorrow. Pero prepared na kami mentally and physically since halin pa lang sa eskwelahan ginakuha na kami ni sir nga magpa-YK tapos hindi pagkapuyo na kami tuguling kay you know, ang TV broadcasting is about visual and also about your delivery. So, hindi naman mag-prepare sa among mental and physical aspects.
For last question, when things got tough, what keeps you motivated to push forward?
What motivates me is that my team also kay makita akong among hard work. So hindi pwede nga after our hard work is madura lang siya kay because na anahan kami kang amon nga output kunwari be nagka technical errors. So hindi naman na siya pwede into negative, which is dapat mo naman nga positive improve our performance next year, although wala na ako next year pero manaan ko nga kaya ng daran as juniors.
Thank you very much for your time and answers.
Name, sir. So, what's your name?
I am John Dean Rogales, the coach of Radio Broadcasting English and Filipino.
So, my first question is, from your perspective, how do you feel about your team going into tomorrow's competition?
I believe I feel nga ready na sila. Paaralan na sila kung paano nila execute ang na-practicean for how many days. Halin from Congressional Schools press conference up to now, the SPC.
Last, sir, is what message would you like to leave with your teammate as they step in the competition day?
Remember all the the hard works they have put on. Tapos execute give their best kay hindi ta sure basi they will give recognition sa ilang mga hard works na pay off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And that brings us to the end of our vlog here at Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School.
From the quiet preparations to the rising pressure of the competition, we saw how calm turns into currents.
These voices, these lessons are part of our legacy we carry forward.
Thank you for watching. Until the next vlog,
Stay focused
stay grounded
and keep the legacy alive.